All right, guys, welcome to Snipe FX. We are actually traders, FX traders, Forex traders who are interested in getting people the required information to how to trade the Forex market. There are many ways to trade the Forex market, but there are some of the best ways to trade the Forex market. And today, our first video is going to be about analysis. We're going to analyze some pairs with you guys for next week. Yeah, we're going to analyze some pairs with you guys for next week. And we're going to take pairs like GJ, GBPJPY, GBPCHF, the XAUUSD, which is the gold. Yeah. And then we add some couple of pairs that we do plan to give to you guys. The week has ended. This week is going to be another fire week. So guys, just be expectant of some good results this week. If you were not able to catch the pips last week, be able to catch the pips for this week, because I'm fully expectant that this week is going to be glorious. It's going to be glorious. All right, so let's catch up with some pairs right now, and then we'll look at some of the setups that my setting during the opening of the market. Right, so our first pair that we'll be looking at is gold, XAUUSD to be precise. Now, XAUUSD, which is gold, was ranging some weeks ago. Yeah, this was ranging some weeks ago. More than 5 weeks. This pair has been ranging around this area, and some of us got in and got out at certain levels. I want to draw something here. Yeah, so just ranging the ranging markets, get in here, you get out here, you get in here, you get out here, get in here, get out here, you know, until we saw something happen, which is the market retraced and now broke the whole ranging space. It's now out of the box. It's not out of the ranging box, right? That was what happened last 2 weeks. It went out of the ranging box and then came down here. But when it came, let me show you something we have here. There was something here which I want to show you. Okay, we had a trend line. All right, so we had a trend line right here. So market got to this area and then started reversing. And then, oh, some people took some buys. Yeah, last 2 weeks, I took some buys on it because there was a good entry or a buy. Now, I don't normally trade retracements, but when a retracement is happening on a daily level, I can pick it. But when a retracement is happening on maybe H4, H1, I don't pick it. So this retracement was a good buy. That was last 2 weeks. Yeah, it was a good buy on this. It came right here. You go to H1, you'll see it clearer. Right, so it came right here, came down as this, and then pulled up, tested this level, tested this level. So this was a buy here, get out of the market at this level. Right? We got out of the market at this level. So that was about right, let me get this thing clear. All right. Okay. So this was about 150 pips we got in and got us of the market. Now we are now on a level where the market can start following its original trend, which is a downtrend now. All right, so right now we have market going up. It went up to this level, made some touches, and is now backing down. It's now backing down. It's now backing down. So right now, what we have to do here, if you have not entered this market, you have to wait and you look for a full break, because even within this level, the market is still ranging. The market is still ranging within this level. There is a lot of noise here. So we are not in this trade for now. I am not in this trade for now. So we are looking for market to break this level, retest, and then we go. And then we stay with the market. You understand? So when you go on a lower time frame, you're gonna have something like that. So we're gonna mark this level down. Going to mark this level down. We are looking for market to break this level, and then we test to this level. Now, the reason why you have that, right, so we're looking for market to break this level and retest. Then we can be confirming a good trade. If you've not entered this market, when market opens on Sunday, don't try rushing into this market. Don't just try rushing into it. Oh, this is a sell and then you enter. No. Just don't try it. So we're going to look for market to break this level and retest. You can go and find the retest on H1, or you can still wait for the H4 retest. So once the retest happens, we're going to write this thing down to this level. So this price is around 128 1283.06, right to 1245.43. So let's put our short position. Well, all right. So let's make it I think 90 pips will be okay. All right, so you can put your stop loss at 90 pips, and then the pips in profit, the target is around 383 pips. 383 pips. These trade setups is very good for swing traders. So that is if you want to pick a gold trade next week. So this is what we have for gold. Possible sells, but we are looking for a break at 128. level, looking for a break around this level. Once the break happens or we see a retest, we're going to sell. We're not in a rush at all. You get me? We're not in a rush at all. All right, so that's for gold. That's for gold. Now remember that these are tails. When you go to the line chart, you never see anything here. These are just tails. You never see anything here. So you can still have the market going up to test this level after the break. You can still see the market coming to test this level even after the break of this level. You can still come and test this level even after the break. So guys, just watch out for gold. We're just waiting for it to break down here and retest. For those who have not entered this market, like me, I've not entered this market. I entered this week, it went and kicked me out. So I relaxed to say no, I don't have to enter this market. I'm waiting for the break to happen. All right, so that's what we have on gold for you guys. All right, so let's check our next pair, which is GBPJPY. GBPJPY on a long term has been buying until recently that it started selling. It started selling, and we saw it. We saw an uptrend. Riding until it hit 156.064 price, and the market came down, broke the high here. This is a previous high. This is a previous high. Now market broke this high, went down, retraced against this high, and then couldn't break above this high. It broke, retested the high again, and then came down. And this was a good sell. Yeah, we made a lot of money on this pair this week. It was a good sell. Last 2 weeks, retrace. That was last week, and then came down right here. Now we are seeing market retracing again. But we're guessing, what would this market do? Because DJ most of the times fix a lot of people out, and we're kind of guessing what would GJ do. All right, like we said, this is just analysis. So anything can happen, and we like to give you what we call the two-edged sword analysis. All right, so we have, okay, let me just delete this. All right, so we had market going down to this level. Went down to this level. Market is retracing. Under normal circumstances, I would love this market to get here and then bounce back. But we saw something on this market, which was a channel. The market is trying something wonderful. Okay, let me get this out of here for some time now. All right, so watch these levels. We saw market hitting these levels. Whoa. All right, so we saw market hitting these levels on the channel. It went up, tested the channel, came down, broke the channel to the resistance, and now came down straight. This also broke the channel, came back, tested the channel, and then went down. This also broke the channel, came back, tested the channel, and then went up. All right, so we're looking at this. We saw a sharp test of this channel right here. We saw a sharp test on the channel right here. And then this was also a buy zone, a demand zone. All right, so with GJ, we are looking at possible buys next week. Possible buys next week. Looking at what we have, buys might come in next week and take these markets to any of these levels. Either we're going to see the market reach this level. Oh, market is going to reach this level before coming down, right? Before coming down. Before coming down. So you have to watch the GJ. You have to be very careful about GJ. You have to know when it's giving a sign for a sell. Otherwise, if it goes against you, you are in a serious mess. All right, so this is what we have for GJ. We also have a trend line right here. This trend line has been tested many times. Many times. Come on. Many times this trend line has been tested and it got broken. It got broken. Oh, come on, don't move. Don't move. Right, so it got broken. It got broken. Was last week? Yeah, that was last week. So we've seen market coming down to this level, and then it's now retracing. Now, it's either we see the market get to this level, 147.722, or we see it coming to the trend line or to the channel line. So any of these levels are potential buys for GJ. So you guys be very expectant of some sales coming up on GJ after the whole buy session is over. I'm still selling GJ, but currently I'll be buying GJ on a low risk. And when the sales hits, when the sell is ready, we are going down on GJ with full force. All right, so that's for GJ. All right, so then the last pair we're going to look at for now is pound CHF. Pound CHF. All right, pound CHF has also been doing wonders. Has really been doing wonders. All right, so we have pound CHF. Yeah. So this is what we have on pound CHF. Pound Swiss francs. Yeah. So with pound Swiss francs, we saw market price did something that was last for about some weeks ago. Pound CHF reached this high and then couldn't break the channel. It came down and tested the channel, and when it tested the channel, it came way down. This was a good sell. We sold this spread. It came right down and it has now tested the channel support area. Now we're looking at possible buys, which we are already in. We're looking at possible buys to to this level. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this is our target. It's our first target. Yeah, so this is our target, about 300 pips, and then our stop loss around 87 pips. All right, so guys, this is what we have for this week. This is what we have for you guys this week. We're going to buy pound yen. We're going to sell gold. We're going to buy pound CHF, and then right at this point, we're going to see possible sales from this area. We're going to see possible sales from this area. So as things get by, we'll update you guys on our trades. You can follow us on our Instagram. You can follow us on our Telegram. If you need an information about our platform for tuition, if you're into Forex, you need some more explanations, you need some more tuition, you need some more adapt, or you're a beginner and you want to learn Forex, you want to trade the market and be a consistent profit maker, even though losses are inevitable. Yeah, so we have lessons for you guys all. All right, so you can follow us on our Instagram, you can follow us on Facebook, you can follow us on Telegram. We have a Telegram channel that you can join for free. You get daily updates on our setups, daily updates on certain price setups, free setups, cool pips, 50 pips, 100 pips, 200 pips. Possible. You can make this thing happen. Forex is not for superstars. Forex is for humans. And as you're human, you can do this. I trust you. So, guys, just link up with Snipe FX. Let's get things rolling. Let's get things rolling. And we'll catch up with you guys with more videos, with more educative videos, with more analysis and how to pick these trades and maximize your profits and all that. So below this video, we have our links. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is our first video, and you'll be so much a blessing to us to subscribe to our channel, like the video, make a comment. Let's see how we can help you guys more, right? So we have our Telegram channel link below, our Facebook page link below. You can click and join us, change the world. All right. God bless you all. Have a fruitful week this week. Have a fruitful trading week. All right. We out.